Hi, it's April 1st, 2020. My gong practice I'm about to do. So, if you haven't watched any other videos, you can. They're on the playlist or whatever. But I recommend lying down and noise canceling headphones, perhaps. Turn off your cell phone. Anything that's going to distract you, and just let the sounds take you wherever they're going to take you. I'm just practicing different tones. I've only been playing the gong since, well, I mean, I took a class last April 12th, 13th, 14th, 3 day long class. And since then, I got this gong on December 28th of last year. So I just want to be better at playing it, and the gongs help me transform my life. It's done a lot of things. Energy shifting, or at least I believe that's the cause, or I believe that's what's happening. So not only do I play the gong, I mean, I want to get better at playing the gong, but it's also, I use this as a little moment to be present, 100% present in the moment, and just taking the moment for what it is. When I'm playing the gong, I really tend not to think about anything other than striking the gong and listening to the sounds move me wherever they move me. They guide me. I just start playing, and then whatever flows. I don't know there's a right or wrong way, but I enjoy it, making noises. So if it sounds interesting to you and you haven't listened before, then welcome to this practice. Like I said, it's better to close your eyes, lay back, relax. You can be up and around, walk around or whatever, but I recommend not driving cars or operating any heavy equipment or anything like that, just because you might zone out or something. So anyway, yeah, enjoy. I like to do 3 little breaths, into the nose, out to the mouth, little centering breaths, and then another little breathing technique I'll go over really quick after I do the 3 breaths. And then I'll start playing. So let's do 3 breaths. So we'll go in through the nose, open mouth, exhale. Again. Last one. Put an extra one in there because I wanted to. It felt good. Man, air feels so good. Alright, my little breathing technique I like to use is to inhale through my nose. Imagine my breath going to the top of my head, down my spine, filling my belly, filling my chest. Pause for a moment, and then when I exhale, I force the air down my belly, tightening my abs, getting a physical connection to my breath, forcing it down my spine, tailbones, legs, and feet. And I just get that flow going. So again, it's in through the nose, top of the head. Let it come down your spine, fill your belly, fill your chest. Pause for a moment. Exhale, down your belly, tightening your abs, down your spine, tailbone, legs, feet. So let that nice little cycle go through. In a moment the sound will start. I'll wake you up when it's done. So just lay back and accept whatever the sounds bring you. Thank you for being here. Slowly come back to your physical self, wiggling your fingers and your toes, your wrist and your ankles, stretching out all at your own time, taking a nice deep inhale and a long exhale. Make sure when you do get up that you drink plenty of water. The sounds may have moved things around for you, and I believe they moved things around for me. Just got into the zone when I was playing and time was gone. Or somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, I like to think about the 5 principles of Reiki, and I just share those with everybody. If there's anybody even watching this, who knows? I don't know. So my practice is honestly, when I play, it's meditative, puts me in a zone. Like I said beforehand, it just keeps me present. Take this time for myself. This morning I got up early and I got a morning yoga session in. It's a great way to start the day, help me come center myself, and then got a bunch of work done today. So excited about that, and got the Gong practice in. So yoga and Gong does the body good, I think. That's what I'm gonna say. I enjoy it. Anyway, so the 5 principles of Reiki. Just for today, I will not anger. Just for today, I will not worry. Just for today, I'll be grateful. Just for today, I'll be kind to others. And just for today, I'll focus on my work. I'm honestly super grateful for my life. I love it. No lie. Like, it's amazing. Everything is. It just works. And, like, I just work whenever. Like, I just finished this video and I'm probably gonna work for a couple more hours. Yep. And then get up in the morning and do it all over again. Because that's what we do, something. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you are watching, I mean, if you watch, then thank you, obviously, because you're watching this to hear this. So thank you for spending your time with me and listening and letting the sounds move you. If you're interested, other videos are on there. Subscribe, like, comment, whatever. If you want to share your experience, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Everybody experiences different things, and I don't know what anybody's experiencing. I question what I'm experiencing at times. Anyways, have a great day. Thanks again. Until tomorrow.